They come to pass.
DE. They have DE1.
But they might
Okay,
come
keep
here.
scouting them. Keep scouting them, okay?
They
Okay,
have
KW on me. 3, 2, 1, uminaw crown. Keep scouting
D3
them.
now. D3 now.
Yeah, just keep fast, bong.
RJ on bunkers.
If you have hammer, bomb fast.
Guys, RJ on bunkers, okay? So you fast.
D3 is the
Keep scouting them, ha? Keep scouting them.
Anyone
Okay, everyone
scouting
now.
forest?
Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow only.
I go scouting forest, huh?
Yes, boss. No need, boss. The enemy in the north is already. No need to scout there. Pull the maps in the northwest. Okay, DPS now on inside of us. 5, 4,
Yeah,
3, 2, 1 inside of us now.
One class might come from there.
Okay, come to me south. QW in the south. Okay.
God, I hate the car pass very far. But maybe they will come close because it belong to war.
Yeah,
Good,
DPS now ready on me. Crown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's double OC.
Yeah, double OC, boys. Double OC.
yeah, D3 pa rin sila, boss.
I will
Okay.
I will ask G. I will ask G.
Okay, on me. Trade me.
Kaning sa sheet par ba na may spy. Ang sa unin ako. Sa Donsong lang ko mag-sign up.
Hindi, sa shit.
Sige lang. Okay ra na.
B2. Gusto din nila alliance din. One class alliance din sila, boss.
Ha?
One class alliance o sa Noctis. Day 3 pa rin sila,
Baka nagtawag yan.
Parang
Yeah,
parang may hinihintay to, boss. Parang may hinihintay siguro to. Hindi sila gumagalaw eh.
Petri said one class will not come here. After Castle in part, they will fist fight with TFD.
Oh, Shelby for you. Oh,
No, but
Shelby
maybe
for you.
fuck him.
It's
But maybe more of their lion will come here.
Shelby for you PMU?
no. It's high card.
Yes.
Yeah, high card.
Cook.
Boss.
Some of their lion will come here, but Mansers will stay in pass
Okay.
because they will have.
They're coming. They're moving. They're
They're
moving now.
moving, boss. They're
They're
moving.
moving.
Okay, come here na. Come here, southeast.
He not in Apex anymore.
Yeah. My DPS get ready.
Nangya dong.
Guard runes get ready to protect me, ha. Clear comms.
They dismounted OC. They OC.
Okay. Apor, help me, Apor. Okay, deep south. We're gonna engage southeast, ha. Wait. We're gonna engage deep south now. Deep south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South me now. Kill this one.
Headbutt.
Headbutt now. Headbutt now. Ikaw, kabak. DPS now, ready?
Ready.
Okay, on me, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me now. Go back. Jacket. Let me cool down.
5
5 seconds.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, on me. Shallow south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow south on me. More damage. More damage. More damage. More damage. Good.
Yummy.
Long cooldown, ah.
Okay.
Healer,
Guard
Guard
focus
runes,
on
please. Guard runes, please. Guard runes, please. DPS now. Look for red bat. Okay, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown now. Go back.
30% gain. 20.
Go second floor. Go second floor. Second floor na DPS.
One sword.
Second floor DPS. I lose 2. Second floor.
One sword.
Ditang spread. Don't stay in the north side. That's a very bad spot, okay? Some of you stay in the south. Healer, I need healer in the south. Hold for now.
Ako na lang isa.
Hold for now. Spread. Spread for now. Spread.
They are the A6 now.
Okay.
DPS, don't pick.
Okay, wait. Boss, be careful there. You guys are staying there for 2, ano? Be careful. Hug the wall east. They will engage on the north side. Be careful. I told you, they will engage there in the north side. Go back, Yami. They will engage in the north. Always engage in the north. Don't stay with me. Spread a bit. Yami, hug the wall south, Yami. Hug the wall south. Nice one, Peter. Let them do that. Just by time.
Oh, that guy caller.
Yeah.
Shelby caller, Shelby.
They will engage on me soon, Guard on me. They will engage on me soon.
DPS, stuck on sword. Don't pick.
Stuck on sword. Party 2, engage me. Party 2 only. Party 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2. I don't know, party 2.
Another blob cooks. Northeast. Another blob.
Okay.
Another blob. Not Sam Allion. Not Sam Allion with them.
Okay, inchep now. North a bit Iles. Wrap around. Kami. Inchep now. CC rim now. Come to me south. Look south now. Deep south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Crown. Go back north. Go back north. Go back north.
Wait.
Go back north. Just go back north. Yeah, just go back north. Second floor na Iles.
Let them.
Oh, they're fighting as well. Okay, hold.
Yeah.
Hold.
We hold.
Hold.
Iles, stay in the first floor. D-Tank, get ready to soak. Heal the front line. Please, my D-Tank.
DPS, follow sword.
Oy. Depende. Heal me.
Oh,
Look that already.
why did you? Yeah. You did not
Go
check.
second floor.
They're looking.
DPS, be ready on the sword.
Where Nasu? We don't
I
have
need
Nasu
help.
here.
We don't have.
No.
Who can take
Dito,
over?
I need help.
Just hold.
Just hold.
Hold second floor. Don't pick.
Yes, hold. Iles, try to call it. I will go back fast.
Yeah.
They will fight, okay?
No, other one is banking already.
DPS, don't pick.
Coming in now. Coming in now.
Blink up. They come in.
Be ready on the
Blink
gate.
up.
Be ready on the gate.
It's
There's
your one time to call.
94%
Land
gain
drop.
sa west side.
Oh, what?
Bum. Why you so standing there?
You're picking.
They were speaking.
Come here.
Go to the sword bar.
Come here in south.
Go up.
This is the best place to fight in this area. Go back.
Yeah,
Yami,
they're
go back.
fighting. Stay with me.
Let them bomb that area.
We're gonna engage on the catapult here on southeast, okay? Be ready, Engage on at the gate in 5, 4, 3,
Yes.
2, 1.
One class is coming, ha. One class is coming. 26 DE.
Come
One
back.
class is coming.
26 DA.
26 DE coming.
Oh, 26 DA.
Stay away from gate. Stay away from gate.
If one class come in 26 DA, I think you guys should out.
No, just stay there for a bit. Maybe they
Yeah,
will
they're
fight
fighting,
outside.
They're still fighting.
Yeah.
They are fighting.
Stay with me, ah. DPS, stay with me.
This bow baton's deadly, bro.
No, it's Heron. It's Heron bomb.
Heron bomb?
Yeah. We have southwest, ah. We have enemy southwest.
Ang nasakit ng bomb ng kalaban, man. I died with a bomb.
They're moving out.
Yeah, they are
Come
very
with me.
fast, folks. They are
We're gonna
very
pass
fast.
engage.
Even
Pass
I didn't
engage on
see
them.
them.
Yeah.
Listen.
Pass engage on them on 3, 2, 1. Pass engage. Drop. Out. Get out
28
there.
DA coming.
Yo, what's up, Adobo Caller?
Oy, come here. Fuck you.
Are they still fighting in less
Don't even
status?
Yeah. They're still fighting. We're
Yeah,
good
they're
with
fighting.
inside.
Okay.
Map check.
We're in G
Map
plus
check.
fissure. Glacier full fissure na.
Engage on the catapult. On the catapult on 3, 2, 1. Just drop on the catapult.
31 DA.
Can you live Iles? I can see you on the live. I want to see you in the
Please
live.
go back. Anoni, please go back.
They're fighting in the corridor south.
Yeah, they're fighting.
Bito Alliance in
On the stair, ah. On the stair. DPS on the stair, ah. On 3, 2, 1. Just drop on the stair.
Are they still fighting, right?
Yes, they're
still
fighting.
We're
They're
gonna
fighting,
engage.
Yeah, we try to open the chest. If we can.
There's invasion.
Secure.
Also.
Jerry, ingat ah. Baka magsalo sa'yo yan.
Hard south, ah.
How
DPS
many
look on me,
minutes?
hard south.
6 minutes. We can last.
The catapult again, ah. On the catapult on 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Uy, bedrock.
no bedrock.
What the heck?
Bedrock that.
Where did bedrocks do that?
Do we have Spirit Hunter?
Yes.
We have
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
DPS is all.
We need him to kidnap so that we can drop.
No, go back, please. Go back. Don't follow me, please.
I need to up my live cooks.
Wait lang.
Go.
I keep moving. I'm keep rubber
Listen,
banding. Yeah.
There's a lot of rats too.
6 minutes.
Yeah. Just try to hold 6 minutes.
Yeah, Cook, you cannot move. You
Please
keep
go back.
disconnect.
Please go back.
You cannot move, Cook. What the heck?
Yeah, I'm disconnected. Just keep moving, boss. I will
Please
get
go
follow.
back. Please
No,
go
but
back, please.
maybe some
Yes.
rescue kill you here.
Okay.
So are you
See,
going
Please go
to
back,
mission?
I'm back na, boss.
Yeah,
Nagato.
I'm almost.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm at drop.
Go.
Bitang, please go back.
Go. Up.
Ditang's here coming. Wait.
Cook, you don't
Just
see
a
because
fight.
you log in, you don't see what the live stream, Cook.
Chris Iles,
Carrot
bedrock. Ayan.
Your connection is not
Ito,
good.
bedrock.
Bedrock that.
Wow,
Bedrock
so
that.
many rats.
Carrot.
Guys, catch this rat. Catch this rat.
5 minutes.
Carrot,
5
bedrock,
minutes.
yes,
5
guys,
minutes.
DPS, come to me, DPS. There's a 5
Tắt rồi,
rat
Cook,
here.
Cook không coi là Cook hết bị nè.
Come.
Trước đó mày đặt coi chi lắc quá trời luôn. Be careful.
Guys, those who are dismounted, be ready. Huh? Let's catch the rat.
Are you still healthy there, bro? Iles?
Yes. Everyone is
They're
healthy.
fighting in the
Everyone is
middle of
fine.
the map. They're not in castle now.
5
Okay,
minutes,
nice,
5 minutes.
They just one fight, so we might get the castle.
Yeah, they know.
Boss, you also died, right, boss?
I die.
I have your ox if you want it back.
Oh, I bring another ox.
One map away. I'm at safe.
Every time I go castle.
The engage was so fast. I couldn't react.
Yeah, their bomb was so fast. I barely managed to cleric.
No, their bomb was invisible there, so that's why we cannot react.
Mm-mm.
We cannot see anything. We just see we dead already.
Yeah, when
Yeah. I
when
cannot move, I
noticed,
cannot pop Giga because of the Heron. Like, I think it's around 7 Heron there.
5. Then purity count.
Yeah, Purity Cow. That Purity Cow kill me.
Will get shocked.
they're still fighting a lot. Oh.
Okay, we're in forest right now.
It's good if they fighting. We can get castle.
Yeah.
3
What's this
minutes now.
scout? What's this scout? What's the status there? Are they winning, losing?
I'm in forest.
I think Technic is winning.
There's another block.
I'm gonna check that.
We are on Fisher, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Fisher,
yeah,
all
Fisher,
Fisher.
We are in
Fisher.
forest.
What Fisher are
Yes,
you?
Bubu.
They got
Glacier.
two.
There's another block again.
Shushan is also here. They're coming to the castle. Shushan is coming to castle.
No, they came.
Okay.
Where are you, Cox?
There's no.
Where are you, Cox?
We're almost,
Yeah, they're
we
going
zone. Try to hold them, okay?
2 minutes.
They're
I'm
going
almost
to
now.
castle now.
They're coming to the castle now.
They're coming,
Okay.
they're coming now.
Dismount on me. We're gonna see.
We zone.
They dismounted.
Where are they? They're
North,
behind us,
come west. On the gate, Let's engage on the gate on 3, 2, 1, just on the gate. Then go back. Oh, we almost died.
Almost did it.
Which gate are they on right now? Gate 1 or gate 2?
Gate 2,
Gate
gate 2,
three.
Are you here already?
Yeah, I'm
There's
almost. I'm
Jerry
at Fisher
died.
now.
We're here. Heal
Click.
Dupa.
Prepare
Heal Dupa.
Dupa, back, Dupa.
DPS,
Right.
follow
Come
sir,
back.
DPS, follow sir, only 2 DPS.
Hey, follow, sir.
Only 2
Sir.
DPS.
One class is coming too. One class behind me.
Click.
Yeah, it's okay. It's almost. We
Go other way, please. Go other way. Go southwest.
30%,
DPS, follow me.
20%.
Bunch of reds on the other side waiting for us to zone
Bam,
out.
bam, on west,
Giga. Nice. Giga yung demon.
Nice, demon.
Go careful.
this side maybe not good. What side? What side is okay to zone in, guys?
West.
Southwest. Go southwest of the castle.
Southwest.
Okay,
Cox,
southwest.
where are you,
Yeah.
Cox?
Yeah, cook southwest.
Click out.
Okay, I'm here.
Wait.
I'm here. Okay, wait. Follow me. Follow me. Okay, follow me. Come. Follow me. Everyone on me.
I need one titang at the back.
Okay, everyone, click. Okay, shallow inside of us. Shallow me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me shallow. Shallow. Okay, go north now. Click now. Click go north. Click go north.
Clear comms.
Don't let
Go
them-
north,
Hey,
go north. Cheaper.
Sepper. Don't
Come
let
to me
them
north now. Follow me northwest, and go northeast. DPS get ready. Northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw. Just drop.
A bomber northeast.
Good.
Bomber northeast.
Okay, it's okay. Stabilize southwest, Iles. Stabilize southwest, then heal. Okay, walk east now. CC them now. All CC east. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Big.
I will open this.
Okay, go back. I got healing node. Go back.
Enemy looking. Dev.
Bam,
Okay, so all good.
Bam, on south.
Get ready. DPS, get ready. Come to me south. Walk. South now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow south. Just drop. Just drop south. All drop south.
Bam on
All drop south. Okay. Good. Kill them. Follow me. CC them now. Full chase them. Ready? Wait, I'm getting stop. CC them. Keep following them east. Follow them east. Occult now. Look southeast now. Okay, CC them southeast. On the chalk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the chalk southeast. Just drop. Okay, full chase them. Loot. Okay?
They're ditang east side.
Okay, keep moving northeast, keep moving northeast. CC, I need occult northeast, occult northeast, occult north.
Hey, why'd you use a
Occult, yes.
jacket to knock the enemy out of his...
DPS now, ready?
Ready.
Okay, keep following north. Kill him north.
Kill him.
Oh my god,
I'm
he's a
gonna
looter.
catch this. Catching.
Okay, northwest now.
Chase,
Don't-
catch them.
Don't use purity when we're chasing the enemy, bro.
North,
What the hell?
on the north, there's a red running.
Yeah.
Ditang.
Ito regroup ko.
North now, shallow. 3, 2,
Wait, I will
1,
open.
over now.
I will go look at.
I open the chest.
Yeah,
I open
why?
the chest. Fill up the silver bag.
I will loot. Okay.
Yeah.
Come south now. Walk.
Mount
What the heck? Red.
Mount up.
Many. Rather inside. Maybe they loot. If we not loot.
They
Yeah,
can't-
we're going now.
No, I loot enemy. I mean the body.
Right.
I think they can't loot.
How much you guys loot? You loot only.
12M boss. 13M.
Kill this B.
No. You mean you loot
I have
only
200.
silver bag?
Yeah.
No,
Here's the
who
silver
loot
bag.
here? Who
What's
loot
that?
here?
I don't loot anything.
Because not
Just
only
silver
silver bag. See, many looted. Many juicy gear
Catching
looted.
3, 2, 1, catching.
Who
Nice.
loot?
Nice.
I just
How much?
silver bag.
Catch.
How much total on that Hawa?
Hindi ko nakita.
When-
In-game tayo eh.
Catch, boys,
Wait.
catch.
Ito na.
When you open, how much hawa?
I didn't remember boss.
No, because 17M now and many empty slots.
Yeah. I did
Who
not-
open, boys? Who open?
Exactly, no, loot 9M. And
Okay.
hawa.
Nine M.
Okay.
12M. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
the-
got 13
Is
13M,
that
boss.
the body, Noah, or the chest?
The chest.
12.9.
Okay.
the chest.
Good.
No, is that okay?
The body in, I don't note the body because there was a,
Yeah,
yung
it's okay.
kalaban nag-loot sa kanila.
I just want
Sisi
to
lang,
know
good
who loot.
lang.
I can loot if you want. I have oak. Donated by
Because
boss.
because hawa said hawa loot only.
Yeah, I loot the ano.
Yeah,
Should I
that's
loot?
why. Wait. I
No.
loot.
Only
Okay.
boss first.
I
Yun.
donated it
I
in
have-
like 12M. 12.9. I did not see the loot because we're fighting. I just opened it just to secure the
No,
point.
it's okay.
What the hell? Why X gen number 1?
On Castle OP.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not sleeping.
He always when we
Always,
sleep.
Bullion it almost.
When we sleep.
Maybe he is a ratter.
Really?
Yeah, in the morning he joined. After
Okay, everyone now, let's move. Let's move now. Everyone now.
Loot the rest. 2M.
Okay, boss. Okay.
At least we
I'm gonna argue,
managed
okay, boss?
to kill some there, but fuck, they're bomb, you know.
yeah, try to stop that
500
bomb at the back.
What the heck?
Only Bricks and me is there.
Follow me.
No, but we win. At last, not this. That's it.
It's Nagatopol.
Boss, should I arbet? Boss?
It's Nagatopol.
What?
Nagato died?
No, I'm here.
What?
Still behind you.
It's full.
Okay,
Hold
I'm
north,
just gonna arbet.
hold northeast, hold.
Are we gonna not eat?
Yes, much easier, boss.
Okay.
What the fuck? Why am I marked
Wait
dead?
me.
What is that? You biryani color later. I was outside, you know.
It's biryani color. Ay, sorry. No, it's not racist,
Oh,
bro. You know? No, it's for Naso, bro. Not for all of you guys, okay? Yeah.
Panipuri color.
Wait, what the fuck?
hell?
Panipuri color, bro.
Niga too.
Who's that? Can you do
that?
Tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Fuck.
Why did you redeem it?
We go. Okay,
I
we
don't
go.
talk like that, bro. Why you doing it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Wait,
arbet.
why
boss.
you guys zone now to elder sleep.
Zone.
Zone to elder sleep.
I'm just gonna arbet, boss.
That's full to zone. Oh,
Why you guys doing
I am in off, so I'm lazy
that?
to
Don't
walk.
talk like that.
Bro, we
looted the legendary castle, but still, for some reason on the journal says that I have not completed this mission.
Yeah, I think
Maybe not enough
Quiz.
points. You need maybe you need the points to achieve. Yeah.
Maybe because I died, so it
No,
doesn't.
no,
Yeah.
you need to
No,
click it. Click the
Oh,
chest.
okay. I need to click and open the chest. That's okay.
No.
Okay.
no need to open. No need to open.
You just
You
need to
just
click it once.
You need to lick it.
Once we cap the chest, tap it.
Where I depot, boss?
And if you die, you have to lick it again.
Where do I
Lick
depot?
it again, really? Why you lick the chest, bro?
Guild literal.
Because it's
Should I
juicy.
drop the loot?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fucking gay, huh?
What
I
the
have
fuck?
TA good. The other
Oh my
I'm gonna
god,
drop-
stop saying... Huh? Sorry,
I'm
sorry.
gonna depot in the guild loot drop, okay?
yeah, depot there.
Guys, can you
food is
stop
ours.
saying Nigato on
Hold
the
on.
chat? You
Hold.
can say it on voice,
Negato?
not on...
Negative in the
What the
chat.
fuck?
Put what?
I
Negative.
have boss.
I'm gonna report
Why?
every single guy.
Oh,
Who's
there is
saying
there's a
Nigato.
tracking party.
Transport here if you zone in.
Transport. What guild? Okay, so.
Meow, transporter. Meow,
Yeah,
meow.
kill, meow. Go.
Oh my god, he's ram. But there is a den, guys.
Try to catch him in the den.
He's gone to the den.
He'll just go in.
Never mind.
I can pull him away.
No, what mount is that? Ram? Ram is very hard. Ram is very hard to dismount. Hold. Hold, guys. Wait for Bricks and Lin. Okay, hold.
What happened to Ram?
Rem offline for a long time.
Who's
I
ram?
think he's busy.
Hold, boys. Hold. Guys, there's Gunker, so we need to go together, please.
Can you ping bar your
Because-
next time?
Left.
Over
Ping
here.
your location.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no. My
Okay, let's
armor
go.
broke.
Move.
My shoe broke. What the fuck?
The technique for
Don't tell me what to do. Can you say it again, bro? Like, it's like
Don't
same
tell
with
me
the
what to
original, bro.
Don't tell me what to do, bro.
No, it's
Don't
not like...
tell me.
Don't tell me what to do, okay?
Don't tell me what to do. Like
You
that.
fucking stupid nigga. Don't tell me what to do.
What the fuck? Two Indians collab. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Hey, who is the racist, bro? I'm gonna call cyber police. Wait.
Please help me. I'm under the water. Woo.
Shut up.
But
I
it's
already
very
got banned.
famous, bro, It's very famous.
Oh, did your P open already? Or not yet?
Bro, I got banned on Discord. Imagine getting banned.
You deserve it, bro. You are racist.
Yeah. That's what I am going to say as well, Deserve.
Bro,
Because
I
you are
don't
not-
deserve it.
Because
Oh,
you are
who-
not Nigga 1, you are Nigga 2.
Okay, guys.
Nega.
Tell me who,
Because you keep sending that
Red circle ganker
Rolex,
here
bro.
in Valley.
What the fuck?
Okay, go northwest, boys. Oh my god, guys.
Yeah,
Why you
guys,
guys
I
do-
think we are normalizing the nigga word too much, man. We need to stop that.
Because we are all
Bro,
niggas.
I'm Indian, bro. I'm Indian. It doesn't matter.
You are not
Who?
Indian. Hell no.
Who?
Your
Yes.
voice.
Alex, eh?
But nigga is
Yeah.
normal, bro. Why you?
Yeah, everybody
Yeah,
here
yeah.
is nigga. What's the problem?
Bro, I feel
Yeah.
offended. I'm black from the heart.
Bro, yeah, Filipinos are black as well, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh, yeah. Ah, Filipinos are
Now-
niggas too. Niga too. Ha. Filipinos are niga too.
Stop
Now
saying
Cook is
that,
showing
bro.
racism to Filipinos also. See my Filipino brother, he's showing racism against Philippines.
Go northwest. Oh, you guys, wait us. What the heck?
They're leaving the
Go
caller.
inside Morgana Rest or just
We go to Morgana Rest. Much safer, bro. Like, we're gonna take in V from Morgana.
Hey, Cooks, let's wait here 1 hour. There's a
Oh
purple
man,
vortex.
I don't like that hero bomb. I fucking died with that shit.
Yeah, you can do nothing.
So fast. Slow ones ka kasi, Cox.
Hmm?
Ay,
No, I cannot. I pop, but I cannot pop because the stun of Heron.
Layering
I
pa nga
pop, but I
sila eh.
cannot pop.
Yeah, layering yung drop. Hindi ka talaga makagalaw.
The support is slow, par.
The thing, I barely managed to do clerical. How can he survive without clerical?
Yeah, I don't have clerical. I tried to pop Giga, but still.
Boss,
Hold,
boss was
hold.
shouting, yummy.
kung slow loader ka, Cox.
We're gonna go northeast. But why we go southwest side?
It's
We
because
go
of
northwest. We get invaded. Took back.
Grabe naman na yung slow loader sa mo, par, no?
Oo.
One map, bago pa kasi.
Bago na
Kung
talaga sa
slow loader ka, mas may
8.2
slow
star
loader
na.
sa'yo.
Yo, you know, I remember something. One time, Reactive got so mad because I was keep spamming the nigger, the heart R.
Nigger.
You know, and after a few hours, I was like, "Yo, Cooks, is Reactive black IRL?" Remember?
I
Yeah.
am.
No way, you're not. You're not.
Yeah.
Hell.
You know,
I am.
niga means niga means your eyesight in Hindi. Like, I don't know why.
Yeah, no, that's not Niga, that's Niga.
Uy, Ashara, what happening, bro?
Dragon May saying a sign in and take invis. X-Gen, watch out, they're following you.
Oh, fuck. There, yeah.
Reconnecting. That's okay. For the record, I was reconnecting, okay?
Kaya nga nagulat ako.
We take Invi to go back, Quang?
Yes, boss.
Okay.
Ay,
Okay,
no
all safe
offense,
na.
okay. Reactive,
What weapon did you like?
from your voice, you sounded the most white guy I've ever.
What the fuck?
What?
Yeah, Reactive sounds so white, you know. He sounds so white.
Me, bro. What do you think about my voice, bro? Very cute,
You
right?
fucking jackal, bro.
No, your voice seems ugly.
You sound Indonesian actually. I don't know why.
Who sound Indonesian?
Cooks.
No way.
What do you mean? I don't sound like an Indonesian, bro.
No.
I'm a pure Filipino.
Yeah.
Oh no,
You know,
Cook is out of New Zealand. What?
Yeah, New Zealand.
What? I
you
just
know?
said Cook Indonesian. What the? You don't know.
J Mark from
I'm a New Zealand,
Don't
bro.
want kay Indonesian cooks.
Lonely sounds
No.
like a Korean actually.
No.
Yes.
Really?
And you,
Korean?
yeah.
A bit
Oh
like
my
your
God.
English is a bit like.
Yes, boss. You sound like a Korean barbecue.
You made it yummy?
Yes, tender and juicy, boss.
No.
Tender and juicy.
I don't
Yeah.
say boss. What the hell? Boss, it was not me who said that.
Left side.
Boss, why are you blaming me? Haya. I didn't say that you're Korean barbecue or what.
Oh, there's a big blob. Guys, be careful, ha?
6.4 in 50 minutes in Quag.
Uy, Posanggala, anong blob to?
Dragon mi ata.
Dragon me? Oh, Dragon me is here, ha?
Where to
Ay,
bank?
Dragon me on Quag, okay? Ay.
Gilo
Dragon me
drop,
on
gilo
Quag.
drop.
Yung ibang Dragon mi nag ano na.
Cooks, they're waiting for the 6.4.
Where Dragon me? Where Dragon me?
Quag.
In Fen, they're in Fen.
Also in Quag.
You know, Cooks? What?
Because I'm bring loot. What the heck?
I really wanted to kill that technique and all because they are my arch nemesis.
Yeah, they disrespected him in Hindi, abusive languages like that.
Yeah.
Oh. Don't tell me what to do.
Fuck you, man.
Tell me
Yeah, we managed to, but I died, bro. You know, we tried to kill
Yeah.
them earlier, but yeah, too bad. I died first.
Cooks, can you pronounce this, okay? Wait.
What is that, brother?
Technique lose or did they win?
They lose.
Okay.
Can you
And
say
then,
this? Can you say this?
and the
word?
one who defeat them, we defeat it as well. So we are the champion, guys.
Oh
Cooks,
my
can
god,
you
line pop. Everything broke.
pronounce it, bro?
Bango loot in.
Oh, I can't hear it. Oh my god.